Hey friends, if you encounter this error, Windows could not start the Windows Update service on local computer error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The next solution will be to reset Windows Update components. So we have a list of commands here. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and catroot2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. And then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.